Once I've generated enough heat with my bow drill, I'll need tinder. These oak trees here have a real special adaptation. On the very bottom of their leaves, they have this like furry coating. So it's very, very small microfibers. And then you'll work your way up into larger and larger fibers until once you get something like this on fire, you know you have a fire. This is where technique comes into play. Just working that point into the wood. Okay, I should have smoke by now, but this is all about friction. If the two pieces of wood start to gloss over, I'm not getting the friction. So I'll put a little bit of sand in that pocket. That'll get rid of that polish. There we go. We have an ember. That little teeny tiny red ember. You have to treat it like a newborn child. Oh, yeah. There we go. Okay, get some more pine needles. Then, nature's perfect fire getter. Look at that pine cone just catch on fire. Look at that resin and sap falling. Ooh, boy, that's hot. But we have a fire, and that is great. Now for the agave. If I cook it right, it'll give me enough energy for a whole morning of running tomorrow. If I get it wrong, I could get really sick. What I'm making is a pit oven. Okay. I'll line the pit with rocks and bury the agave. And those rocks, once they're hot, they keep their heat all night long. In the morning, the agave should be ready to eat. The walls of my cave are nice and warm now. And it's just me and the crickets and the sound of the wind through the pine needles. I can feel the ground is warm. Yeah, it feels good on my fingers. It's cold this morning. The agave's been cooking all night long. That's all steam coming up. All right. Oh, wow. Look at that. Before I roasted this was a big heart of poisonous agave. But after the cooking process, it breaks down all those toxins and those sugars that are indigestible by humans. After they've spent the night roasting and caramelizing, they make these sugars extremely digestible and usable to me. A huge, giant block of sugar and carbohydrates. With a big carb-heavy meal inside me, I'm back on the trail.